Bia kamal gwasme banangich no ke rwani titi dobrien tok English kana dobrien Thok Nath kan bukon ngejen wala mone kan Nuer Language School kan konwe nyam gwasme mi jiram jidit gore jeno jenderi channel der je support der subscribe ko mi chetege ngi mi chebre gwasme da shwa mala shubege jika pet ni jame gwa ke queen entity ane kan queen entity bia nywa kan ko ken ko de ka channel de kan ngach ane bana jitok bro yu palpin ka lianka yob jaguri no beler eleler ki math ko bi kula tika ngaj mugwa ene tuog na ja of course not menyame of ke course cannot of course not melude lunodi shejen an shejen name chireke ha ke han shejen mulunodi shejen mishi of course not shejen dong raji generan dong ken yurun ling che kula tije no ledi ka queen ma kande ko la no of course not chalet ka queen ma kamuluno di shejen chalet ka queen ma ka shejen of course not lo no shejen I don't think so muluno di an chanangat in this way chi konde la ren chanangat ko mishaw I don't think so muluno di an chanachar I don't think so. Which one chanangat I don't trust. Don't they trust their kulaben. Or I don't believe. Baname I don't think so and chanachar. They gorno no. Chana gorgo. And name gagador and chanachar. I don't think so and chanachar. They larno. And chanangat I don't trust. They larno. But anyway, it worked both way. Didn't manguji deriakan. Mishawa I don't think so. Lornodi and Shana char and Shana char ki han chanangat I don't think so and Shana char ki any shejan I don't think so any shejan one of gwasame it is not a bad idea mishaw it is not a bad idea lunodi she charmijek it is not a bad idea they larnon it is not a bad idea she charmijek idea loranemu char bad lonemejek so mishi laro nene it is not a bad idea you are meaning che charmijek in Nuer language or in Thok Nath but maybe some other time malod but maybe some other time jene dung niwo lunung but maybe but chirike dung maybe chereke dungnu oba the same thing but maybe some other time dungnu ba lejek ka gwas mdong but maybe some other time mishilaro nene it is not a bad idea but maybe some other time no she charmu je dungnu ba lejek ka gwas mdong but maybe some other time lo ne chang mdo dien mi chajan chang amone other time it is not a bad idea but maybe some other time is she charm jek dunu bale jek ka gwas mdong. Let's move on. One opinion gwatame. That is not exactly true. The meaning of this phrase is she talk a push. That's not exactly true. Mulunodi she talk. Exactly luno a push. True luno talk. That is they call arode that is no more they call our no more chaban pingwa the man no more she talk a push that is not exactly true they relar no that mish go guri lode that no more ki momo no more she talk that is not exactly true you can even say that that's not true no more she talk me look again will be below when yam no mugo no be specific ke be you the mandana chalar no che yar ke che jek ke chalar ka do mi shaje de larode that is not exactly true meaning no more she talk a push. Let's move on here. Asking for help teach lwaka jalot kuma teach lwaka help lone lwak asking teach so kujamo asking for help teach lwaka asking help teach lwaka bo mi teach lwak but this is the professional way of saying it. Asking for help, asking for help, Teach luaka. Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me karwar luno paliyaka. Could you help me? Deri helwak. Excuse me, could you help me? Paliyaka deri helwak. Mutijaran. Dong jalaka duop kiti deri jogono paliyaka deri helwak. Dong gurjeno de jilwak. Katugang lich deri larodi. Excuse me, could you help me? Paliyaka deri helwak. No, you keep on practicing. One. Excuse me, I need some help. Again, duop na machana jigani na duop radian bon. Excuse me, chikon jigano luno paliyaka. Excuse me, paliyaka. I need some help. Angora luak. Angora. Some help don't allow angora tang luaka. But the right way to say it would angora luak. Some ka tang one. Okay, some a chica can deal, but ka duop ngwana jende kolar jigtuna de kolarode paliyaka angora luak. In English, you can say, excuse me, I need some help. Paliyaka angora luak. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Jindere helwak THG. Okay. Now, there's something that you need to learn here. Please know language. Alright? Language. A polite way ke duo mongwamu lengaran ke jede ran jogo language please. Can you help me, please? Jindere helwak THG. But in this way you can say language. Go jindere helwak language dere helwak. There ben kenyam ko konba. But ketuk English akan alarde please. Can you help me? Ke de laro can you help me please be la jog de kenyam de ran jog no de language dere helwak. Language dere helwak meaning can you help me please? So namada la magwa ko de ran dere jangach. Let's move on here. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Jindere let kemigwa. Jindere halat kemigwa. Could you do me a favor? Jindere let kemigwa. Tijeran, okay? You're asking a person if that person can do you a favor or help you with something that you need. You can say it, Jindere let kemigwa. Like, could you do me a favor? Mengwa jene. Michu, could you do me a favor? Lunodi, Jindere let kemigwa. Okay, let's move on. Offering helped. Offering helped. Tob luaka. Tob luak ki tijeran ko diri luak. Offering helped. Top luaka. Offering a tiju kamanandi let karan. Tomnu duka duor. Helped a luak. Top luaka shaladi. Offering helped. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Di larodi. And de luak. And de luak. Can I help you? Help a luak. And de luak. Can I help you? Do you need some help? Do you need some help? Jin gur tan luaka. Jin gur tan luaka menante jugunone. Some lur na tangwane. Dundo we de konangaje correct way. Do you need some help? Jin gur luak de larnon. Jin gur luak. Do you need some help? But kuja mo ko something de kon tang de kon maten like you can say it. Jin gur tang luaka. Kie jin gur luak. Do you need help? Kie do you need some help? Jin gur tan luaka. Dio jena mo dera lagwa wana ko whipping. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Jin take a look migori. Jin take a look migori. Do you need any help? Jin take a look migori. Is there anything I can do? Is there anything I can do? And take a midday lat. And take a midday lat. Is there anything I can do? And take a midday lat. Okay, like you are offering help. Teach tomuduka loka jalwat kama. Is there anything I can do? And take a midday lat. How can I help? How can I help? And the luakidi. And the luakidi ki angude luakjimo. How can I help? Teach generan. How can I help? Angude luakjimo. But in this way you can say it. And they luak idi. How can I help? And they luakidi ki angumude luakji. They use an amona bana. I want to guatame. Saying thank you. Saying thank you. Lerte salwaj. Mileranta lwaj. de laro de take du one de lar kaje saying thank you luno de ler tesalwa luno de gwasme thank you she lost that head thank you she lost that head thank you very much she lost that head along thank you very much she lost that head along yelo da mogwata mene wana pin thanks a lot luno de she lost that head na me a less formal okay she lost that head thanks a lot thank you for your help let us la register loach kalwagdu meaning thank you for your help michiran te jelwag dare jela tes loach you can say la register loach kalwagdu thank you for your help gwad me wo kon modien I really appreciate it and nakaja I really appreciate it and nakaja manana chila like you can say I really appreciate it and nakaja I really appreciate your help and nakalwagdu ka gwaste I really appreciate your help and nakalwagdu ka gwaste kien nakalwagdu mi chaje lok rande ran jugonodi I will appreciate your help and nakalwagdu ka gwaste you have been a great help what may a short form VE la vivli ke lu ne have you have been a great help mulunodi jin chilwak along you have been a great help jin chilwak along responding to thanks muluji o chiran chetlo che jalare chaldi loch tesalwach responding to thanks loch tesalwach you can say it you are welcome shiloidated you are welcome shiloidated sometimes we laru you welcome don't they jora no birkamal ki beragwa you know in this way lo dinu nene somebody say look then you are trying to say thank you you are welcome kadwog dan chi jogo jeno shiloidated kaji they laru you are welcome lo no di shiloidated chirka thanks you bane mradiane me don't mention it Allah apostrophe me ki michel don't chirke do not okay do not ki don't mention it mulu no di telerek ki chuje lar don't mention it telerek okay telerek kiran lo kamo gwa don ko we ko jila te lo ko bi jogo no di don't mention it telerek mulu no telerek well chikon ni dan ngi kono chikon tuk ana ban nyo jikin video den chuje pero jeno jin be nywane ko ken ki jin ba bi subscribe kan Nuer Language School channel ko bi ngin tuti bi kan chamala shub kaji gwadra na pay ga brech bi atakamal gwa ban ngit ka Thok Nath kana to English bi quantity ban goro ban kangach titine ka phrases ke dobriene chalga ke dobriene kujame chalga ke dobriene ka Thok Nath kana content bu kon ke ngejen walle broad chupal pink liengda ka dob dandir ka ngai keja mi jiram jidit gwasame ka ngich bana ngejen walle ka Nuer Language School gorjen ojin der channel der support der subscribe ko mite ngi mi shiban da shamala shibeke jika pet ban je chu talk bija gorno bija karan manana chalat chana je talk I am getting up man lo da jana en jiacharo I am getting up en jiacharo mishawo I am getting up lurnode en jiacharo wicho kapanono I am praying to God I am praying to God maloda en palakut I am praying to God and palakut di larnono I am praying to God and palakut gwadame michi wenena I am watching my face namelur nodi hen laka nyamda tangon la kona larno nene eno kokon de kolarno en laka wang da namola kono mala larno I'm watching my face do you know lo de la tok wan laka nyamda chiwan laka wangda maybe mishi laro nene I'm watching my eye dir ku laro de and laka wangda do you know gwada me nene I am watching my face mulunodi and laka nyamda watching do the nimi laki door face do the nyamdu and laka nyamda ki and laka wangda dere namo de use I am doing exercise I am doing exercise gwada me mulot ke janene and lada lat de lana and lada lat gwada me la pol point mulude lor ni exercise de kolaro de and lada lat pol point and lada lat pol point and lada lat pol point de lar no and lada lat pol point I am doing exercise de laro and lada lat k or you can just say that and lada lat pol point no more de la mo go akadop dan de nankaja wana gwata mene I am taking shower I am taking shower lorno ne na gwasme en puaka lorno di I am taking shower lorno puak no wi puak ku puak yer ku puak pure kon la pen can we naturally shower taking a mechanic en kana shower di la do no katung nuer cha taking cha la madala no en puaka en puaka I'm taking shower en puaka eno katung na la wi no en puaka lorno di I am taking shower and puaka wana gwadme I am eating breakfast I am eating breakfast lot no gwadme and chama kwen ron wang and chama kwen ron wang and chama kwen ron wang I am eating breakfast and chama kwen ron wang mission and gwadme chao I am eating breakfast lot no and chama kwen ron wang eating lot ne miet okay kimi chama do breakfast kwen chami karun wang Michelaro nene kide kon ron wang michao I am eating and meta de larno no micho I'm eating and meta do no michalel I'm eating a breakfast be meta dan be ger balaro de and chama kon ron wang ki hen meta ka kon ron wang de larno no be gar pin gwad me copy nen de gor gwad me de and mesa ka kon ron wang dere gornon and meta ka kwen ron wang meaning I am eating breakfast na me dere jilok godan gor jeno dere tok nat kana tok English dere jang akeje wana pin gwasa me to kon ke mrodiene me I am listening to the radio I am listening to the radio gwad lo no de en lianga radio en lingnen ke radio dere gornono I'm listening to the radio and ling ni and ke radio de larno no and ling nan ke radio I am listening to the radio de larno I'm listening to the radio mulunodi and lianga radio ke or you can say there are two things here and lianga radio you can say that way the other way that you can say it and ling nihan ke radio and Ningnian ke radio wana gwatame I am going to work I am going to work mulunodi and wallet I am a chagluno han I am cherka I han mishigulel I am going to work and wallet no you are going to work jin willet mulunodi I am going to work and wallet dire kabnono I am coming home I am coming home and chebenching no chikon de larno na gwata me ehen watching I'm coming home and watching and batching de larno na and a benching something like that I'm coming home and a benching let me change this hanna beni chang chi sheng and a benching alaka tungna la da gera sheng no gwad mi sheng but me yom not gore je ber job je ger and a beni sheng ba cheng okay la cheng yo mi roi ni jin be jo be jeger yo mi chi wonang cheng yo bala jen cheng la na pe la san but gwa me cheng me lo no home ene be ni cheng I am coming home ke mu wilar no ne I'm coming home ene be ni cheng che be gwa ene be ni cheng ka to dan le nang ka je ka to na ta wana gwa me ne to kon ke I am making dinner I am making dinner. Dinner point lu no kwantiang, okay? Kwantiang. No di go I'm making dinner. Lu no di an tala kwantiang. An tala kwantiang. I am making dinner. An lada kwantiang. Making a melody. Kede larbano tala. But in this context, michaw I'm making dinner. Shiriko larno ditama an reala kwantiang eka. But michalar an tala kwantiang. It means that you are saying I am cooking dinner, okay? Cooking jen tada nke jen ludo ba tal. I'm cooking tada. And tal kwantiang I am cooking dinner. In this way, michaw I'm making dinner. Ludo di and real kwantiang eka. And lada kwantiang. Di lar non, okay? And lada kwantiang. I am making dinner. And instead of me lar to nene I am ental kwantiang ludo di I'm cooking dinner in this way, okay? There use I'm making dinner lunode and lada kwantiang, but I'm cooking dinner lunode and tala kwantiang. I believe you get the difference. Okay, let's move on. I am watching television. I am watching television. Watching can television again device and la video like I am watching television be took hen and gwecha television and gwecha television. I am watching television and gwecha television. I am watching television and gwecha television. I am going to bed, or you can say I'm going to sleep. Thok Nath kel. When you want to say I'm going to bed or I'm going to sleep, you can say it and watoj I'm going to bed, or you can say it I'm going to sleep. You can just simply say it and watoj. That's the meaning of that. And watoj mean I'm going to bed. Let's move on to this part. I'm watching my clothes. I am watching my clothes. Watching mean door, okay? I'm watching my clothes. Clothes pankin ke beni. I am in that context we can say and laka bienika. And laka bienika meaning I am watching my clothes. And laka bienika. And laka bienika I'm watching my clothes. I am cleaning my house. I am cleaning my house. Cleaning Lord ne chot mi yeji door ke chot the door. Hours Lord ne dwell. Okay, mo ku kona nanga yo ke Lord I'm cleaning my house Lord nodi and chota and chota dwell. Okay, you can say the and chota dwell, or you can say and yacha dwell. And chota dwell or and yacha dwell. Okay, you can use two ways here. They mean the same thing. And chota dwell or and yacha dwell. The meaning of and chota dwell is I'm cleaning my house. And yacha dwell mean I am sweeping my house. Okay, that's the meaning. Titi kena konde kon kengejen walle mi jirama jirit gwasa me Nuer Language School channel goro jin bi channel ji support ban nyoje kengido dien biata kamal. Ban ngich gwasa men walle ke short kwan kenetin content maska ka Thok Nath kena Thok English. Kan kono ni am gwasa me mi jirama jidit ka jen jektu ka jen channel me Nuer Language School goro jen o dere subscribe ka de notification ba dere jetwany ko mi chete ke ngin mi chibere da chwa mala shibeke jikapet. Broad show palpin, you know, go region of gender in your book, Nathan content quirun ken a lagat can native dit. Ramugo, there Thok Nath can a talking leader, a derajangach, and a be Jacob channel, maybe the Jackie listen a minute. Tongnaja. Food, melode, food, luna miet. Miet, kiakwan, shall food. Food, miet, kiede larequan. Breakfast, jen. Miet ronwang. Miet ronwang. Surely break fast. Miet ronwang. Lunch. Lunch jan luda ne miet changdar. Miet changdar. Lakwen changdar. Miet changdar gwadarana chicheng. Chichongdar. Surely lunch. Miet changdar. to kon ke super jana met tiang ke de kon cholo no kwan tiang kwan mi chama ka tiang ke kwan mi cham ka gwada dan ci pin che mir na me chale bread melode lo na pat tangon de chole jurai ade kon chole jurai de kon chol bono dabo bade kon chol no to tok ati chal kani bread ano bi mendano gijino de ngach bi chokan chole jurai chole dabo ke chole je pat de chole no chale bread to kon ke rice ludeni rus chale rus tangod ni la rus de kon chole no ne de chole lep ko Thok Nath mi dong jiram ku je rus de chole lebo ko lep mala pot kene je la te de which gwaran to nyoche ben no la pide mi che pit jen la mi cha pon de jo kot mentre de la jen mo borche de kerus rice de chole rus ki de chole lep ko todan spaghetti ki noodles mane lorna pasta ki la kona chole charia chale spaghetti ki noodles lorna pasta to kon ke macaroni malode lorna macaron ki mandanan te ka wang no chale macaron ba macaroni to kon ke scrambled egg kan ke tuong mi chatal de kon lar no scrambled egg tuong mi chatal no la jiga ka gwamet ki duel met ka restaurant mi guri order de lar no scrambled egg tuong mi chatal de no to kon ke omelette jene pat mi chare de much de wal chal omelette ala pat ki jurai mi chare de cha much ka de wal chal omelette ate kon ke sandwich malode lona pat ki dabo ki jurai mi chare de much kering chal sandwich lona pat mi chare de moy kering am pat mo ki jurai mi chare de moy kering be din chole sandwich to kon ke biscuit lorne biskawi la chal kenono biscuit chale biskawi de chol yen tere ka pat boduno pat mi tam de chole no to kon mi chale muffin jene cake in tam ala cake mi chamoch ke toker chale muffin cake in tam cake mi tam to kon ke cake lone cake bo jen cake mi tam bo jen kel chale cake to kon ke chocolate chale chocolate ba jen mi tam te biel malo chale chocolate to kon ke meat ring to kon ke fat chale tiol fat malo lone tiol to kon ke drink lone mat ngwanitin mat ke drinks katen matka kwa kwang kwa juice ke lu shale drink to kon ke tea malode lurne chai to kon ke coffee malode lurne bun to kon ke milk chak to kon ke fruit juice lurne pidene wal chal ke fruit juice to kon ke soft drink martin kwach ala ke soft drink ate kon ke beer ki bire tango ne kon chol bono jena kwang tolu ya kwang ajen chale beer should ne jen de chol do kwang den wal sometimes de chol bono raka mugure ya ke tatol wana ate kon ke wine raka chi kon bi chol raka gwada bana cholo de kwang deni wal de kon chol no kwang deni wal ki raka de chol wine jen mat ke longa ne te la kwar jirek to ngon mat ke ne duno jen na kwang raka jirek water melode pew honey twar ki tiol twar chol honey to kon ke sop jen tabun to kon ke sauce me juice de jende charech chala sauce ala de jende charech ke tomato me chagwar ko la pika to kon ba chole sauce la cham kan ni dabo ki jurai ke la lat kam lak chale de chole juice de ne walba do no sauce mala lat kam lak jen de jen rim cha grech ba lat kam lak chal ke sauce to kon ka ice cream yat to kon chole yat de kon chol bo liet ice cream kwala chole yat jen la jalat ke kwam ko koch mala tam ke la mo ke to kerba do de chole yat ice cream to kon ke yogurt not to kon ke butter lo ne liet to kon ke salt salt chale kade to kon ke sugar jen toker to kon ke cheese chale cheese do no mi chale cheese ke do kon lar no ne na not ti shi jak not ti jak kan chal ke cheese ko gwada dana chi ge ke shi ku jak long bi cheese baben but gwada dana pai ke ner ba ga cholo ken chal ke yogurt ken ku kon cholo chakt rot ki not do no cheese gwasme ke ken chakt rot kon chi ku jak chi ka wach ba not ken kamrar ke nur to ba you coat no men bi barar yo bi cheese baben ka kore no mo cheese to kon ke mu dien bu kon nyog minen kon oil edit cream liet yira amala na da yer ke je chwale cream temi chal ke sweet ke tasty jan lo no matam tam ke lim de kon chol no bo tung no rebu me lim de kon chole lim chale sweet ke chale tasty ate kon ka fresh mi ken jan pin mi pai brar ma chale fresh to kon ka sour belbel sometimes mi kon sour bu de kon cholo de letchi mi wach tang god li lar nono okay chan mi nang non mi belbel tasteless wach dong de la sour no bi ko gi ke do dan bu gija de nang nono wo kon niam to kon ke bitter cake ala mi cake chale bitter a mi cake mi chela todo dere cake to kon ke hot letlet to kon ke spicy min mit mi cha hol chale spicy mela Thok Nath ke kutet to kon ke curry mlak chale curry to kon ke salty mo wach chale salty ala kade do no salty mo wach tikan gada kan kwat dunde sour ki mo waj ni jen no jen waj kel no salt kul te ka tas ki met mugul medde mo waj pan no cha waj chet ka kwat te waj do dien do no cha lo nga denge do no ka to English ne mi shale sour ne mi shale salty no sugary mist tam shale ka sugary to kon ke overcook mishi wang an malo cha tala long lo cha jan ma cha wang ba cha overcook lo chi cha le welong lo cha we ne ko cha wang tasteless mi cha biele jek lo mi chu biele je she jek cha le tasteless to kon ke boil wang ki tulpine mi chi ponran wang ki me tal ka piu de cha le boil to kon ka fried day wal ti cha tim fried sometimes do kolar no day wal ti cha kel day wal ti cha ki day wal ti kel ke day wal ti cha kel de kon nang no wana pingwa de me to kon ke to ko kien chit ke bake ne me chi cha chole touch but bake de kon chole tat ki sometime okay chana chole tat gwa de me ko kon ko ngach la bake cherga man deri bread ki jurai deri tal ki sometimes do kon chole bulba mi cha bul de kon chole bake wana cook gwa de me cook tat okay de kon chole tat bo lo mi chi kon go jamat la cook mi cha we cook ram tat tangon cook check tat de nang no kan dang ro mi chi nang cook lo ne ram dan tat mi chi nang cook tat chang yo ran please cook jon je thani namoni de kona ngachi no ke Thok Nath kana Thok English gwas me jen bana pekte na kale sendan mi jira me jedir gwas me goro no jen bi channel bi nyane ko ken bi subscribe ka bi char bi ta to ping gwas mo an bi atemal bana je kan yido den bye bye